This question is related to test cases. Which test cases are failed? So the Java code snippet is given below. So consider the following classes for the code base to be tested and the test class. So in the Java code base is given public class water. So there is a class method type of public water is a class name. Okay, this is the class is defined here. Complete this braces, curly braces, class is defined, and this class name is water class. So this class name, for example, this is a class of name water class. Okay, and this water class contains a private string. This is the variable water id. So each water has water id, water name and state, and water id is also a string type. Please remember, water id is also string. For example, we consider it is the integer number, but water id is string. Sequence of maybe it contains alphabets also. So all these are instance variables. So these instance variables are private string water id. So these are water id. This class has water id, water name and state, which state the water belongs to. So, and this water class also contains public water. This is a constructor. So this is the constructor. So the constructor creates the object, right? So it creates the object. The name is same as the class name. This is the class name water, and the constructor name is also same as the class name water name, and it creates the object with variables string I, string n, string s. That is, I represents the water id, string water name, string s represents the water state. So water id I, n, s, these are the parameters, and these parameters are called instance variables. Instance variables declared in the class, and this class is a constructor. Okay, in this water class has three methods. So 1, 2, 3, these three methods. So one is public void update name. So it has three method name, update name. Update name is declared inside the water class. Next one is update state. Update state is another method, and which is used to print the object by using toString method, right? toString method in Java. So return water id, water name and state. Okay, so in the public void method update name, this name, string name, is a local variable. So this is the parameter passing through local to this method only. Local to this method. These are local variables. So water name update state is a method, and it passes the string state is a parameter. The state is a local parameter. Here the name, state and state. So both are equal, right? So in the method update state, the parameter name is exactly state is same as this, right? Instance variable name, same as the instant variable name, and these both are equals to, right, assignment statement. So this is called the shadowing of the parameter. Shadowing. This is called the what shadowing? Variable shadowing. Variable shadowing. Why? Because we are passing the local parameter name is same as the instance variable name. Both are similar. So instead of state, if we use this dot state, equals to state, so you want to reach the instance variable at the class. Otherwise it will be only the local variable only. Okay, the actual instance variable at this top of this class is defined is accessed if we use this dot state, otherwise it is only the local variable. Okay, so this is the bug here in this program. Because of this state equals to state statement, some test cases are failed. Okay, and this is the public string toString method which is used to print the water id, water name and state. These are the test cases. We will check one by one. Okay, so in the first test case, public void test case 1, this one, v is a object we are creating new water, so that is constructor, right? It will call the constructor in the class, this one constructor, this constructor class which is used to create the object. So v is the object we are creating and passing these parameters. This is the water id, and this is the water name. This Bihar is the state, Raj is the water name. So v dot update name, so v dot update name calls the update name method. So here update name method, so string name we are passing water name equals to name. So here, so the water name, v dot update name, water name is initially Raj, right? First it creates the object with water id E1011 and Raj is the water name and Bihar is the state. After this we are calling the method update name in the water class. So it will update the name to, this is the similar, Bihar is same, name will be updated to Rose. So this is the correct. So next method is assert equals. It checks the assert equals method, so both are equal or not. It calls v dot toString method. So toString method in the water class, it will print E10011 and Rose and Bihar. Checks with these values. So both are equal, right? Assert equals checks both are equal. That is v dot toString method print statement is same as the this passing values with a string. So both are similar. So this test case will pass. In the test case 2, first created a object with water id E1001 and Raj and Bihar. So here v dot update state to up. So v dot update state to up. Due to the error in this update state, so why this is the error? Shadowing of the variable, right? So we are using the same name with instance variable and the local variables, both are same. The state does not change to up, so it does not work. Updated to, it stays at Bihar only, because this parameter water name state is yes, right? It is considered only. Initially we calling the constructor, right? So in the constructor variable, the instance variables, what we are passing here, E1001 Raj and Bihar, right? So we are passing this, only these are the updated, and this method does not work. It does not update it to up because shadowing of the variable, because same name is used for the instance variables and the local variable. In this case, string prints same this value only. Water id is E100EI0011 and Raj and Bihar. So but we are checking with this one, right? EI0011 Rose and UP. So Rose cannot be updated, right? Here we calling only this method update state only, so it cannot work. So only state is updated, but state method does not work properly because of shadowing of the variable. So both are not equal, right? These are not equal, so it does not work, and this test case will fail. So both are not equal. We are creating new water with water ID Raj Bihar, that is it called the constructor in the creating the object constructor in the water class. So it created a object with EI0011 Raj and Bihar. Here v dot update name, it calls the update method in the constructor. Name update, here water name is updated to, here we are passing the variable rows, so it is updated the instance variable with rows. So that is Raj is replaced with rows. And v dot toString assert not null, right, which is not equal to no null values. No null values it will print. So the returned value is not null. So v dot toString method returns this object, right, EI0011 rows and Bihar. So this returns this object, it's not null, it does not return any null. So it can pass, this test case will pass. If it returns any null value, it must be fail, since it is a valid string and it passes the test case. Here also we are creating an object with EI0011. So water ID, name is Raj and Bihar. It calls the constructor in the class. So it calls this constructor method and it passes the variables and it will create an object with Bihar, Raj and EI0011. After this, v dot update state to UP. This is not work, it not updated to UP, right? String EI0011 and colon Raj and Bihar only. It does not update to UP because shadowing of the variable, same name is used for the instance variables and local variables. So replace this state with this dot state, it will work. So is equals to this one, EI110 rows UP. Both are not equal. So assert2 returns fail, false. It returns true or false, right? Assert2, if both are equal, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So this test case will fail. Assert to true, both are not equal and it returns false because both the strings are not equal, right? Both are not equal, so this test case will fail. So both the test cases 4 and test cases this one pass, this one fail, 2 and 4 are failed. For this question, identify the test case methods that will fail for the given test code. So 2 and 4 are failed. For this question, the answer are B and D. Friends, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.